Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how do you see your purchase history on Temu. To do so, first of all, make sure that Temu application is installed in your device. Then, open your Temu application and make sure that you have logged into it, adding all of your login credentials. Then, hit on the U button which is on the button page of your screen. Now, once you're on this page, you will see option of your orders. Hit on that. Now, from here, you can see all of your purchase under the section of all orders. So, in this way, you can find out all of your purchase history on Temu. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.